Egg?
Is that an Easter egg?
No! Koopa is gonna wipe his tushy for camera. Jack, what's in there? Can you tell Daddy what color that egg is?
Found an Easter egg.
Jack, what color is that egg?
Okay, where are you going? Hi, Taylor.
Koopa, what color is that egg?
See, Daddy's not gonna. Wanna go find more? Whoa! Oh!
I let him have the treat.
Charlie, he did. Dante's eating them.
Oh.
After Dante left a nice stain on the carpet. Did Dante eat all your candy?
Here, Mommy gives you one. Dante's mean.
Come on, Jack, let's go find some more, okay?
And we
Let's
won't
go
bring
find more.
Dante with us. Sad. No. Right behind you, Bo. No. Turn around.
Jack, jelly bean's right behind you.
And the jelly bean and the egg.
There you go.
Ah, that's what happens on Easter. The Easter bunny brings eggs.
Let's go find more, okay? Come on. Let's go find more.
Okay, let's go in here.
Go find more?
There's more in here. Bubba, why don't you look by your toys? Now look over there.
Go find more.
Looks like a good spot for the Easter bunny. Look over there. Look over there. I see another one.
Did you find another egg? Good.
For you.
That's for you.
Open it up. Open it up. There you go.
Oh.
Look at him dancing.
Jelly beans everywhere.
No, Donnie.
Careful.
You guys stop. No, he's gonna cry, Adam. Don't let him. No. You'll get treats later, fat boy. Yo, good job. We gotta get him where the big doggy eats them. Jack, what color is that egg? What color is that egg? What color is this egg? Blue?
Blue.
No, there's not going to be any more that come out of these now.
Let's go find some more.
There's lots more eggs.
There's lots more eggs.
Eggs? Yeah.
Hey, Jack. You chewing away? More?
More.
Let's go find some more, okay?
Do you have Easter eggs? Okay, come on. Let's go find more.
Yeah, they're all over. Come on, let's go.
Come on. Maybe there's one in here. Oh, I see one. I see one. It's green. Are you gonna hold all of them?
Hey.
Wow. Do you know the Easter Bunny came last night and brought all of these eggs to you? Yeah. Where are you going?
Where you going, Boo?
Oh, but there's more in here.
Oh, you found another one.
Oh. That sounds pretty good.
I know. Where'd you find another one?
Action shot. Look at the first. He's like, help.
Ah!
What'd you get?
What'd you find?
Do you want to open? They all have beans in them. Ah.
You want to go find more? Or you want to open what you have? Let's go find more.
Let's come find more in here. Jack, there's more over here. You're gonna have to. You know what? Does he have like a little basket? You can hold him for the eggs in?
I don't know. No?
Yeah, he has this little blue basket. No, it's in his drawer. Here, Jack. You can hold the basket and we'll put all your eggs in it.
Mm-hmm. We'll find some more.
Okay. Put your eggs in here and then
Hi,
you can
Donnie.
hold it. Put them in there. Drop them in. There you go. Put it in. Okay, here, hold the basket. No, you have to hold it, not mommy. Oh, you want to put this one
Put
in?
them all out.
Okay. Snap it back together. Thank you. There's one more piece. Right up there, the blue egg. Do you want to hold it now? Okay, let's go find more. Come on. Good job.
Very complete.
Okay. Okay, come on. Let's go find more, bro. You want to say hi to the camera? Okay, come on.
Nice movie.
Let's go find more eggs. Oh, I think I see one. Good job.
That's another
Good
one.
job.
Jack,
I think there might be one in your room.
there might be one in your room.
Above, come on.
Jack, I think there's one in your
There's
room.
more in here. Bring your bag. Jack, bring your basket. No?
No?
Okay, come on. Mommy thinks there might be an egg in here. Look around and see if you can find one. Look for an egg. Maybe it's a yellow egg. Wow! Look what you found!
No?
No? Put it in your basket. Okay.
Look at your
come on.
basket.
Come on. Come on, you ready? Let's look around. Look around.
Where could they be?
Oh, mommy thinks she might see one. You see it?
I see one.
Go get it. Go. No.
No.
No. Bubba, look right there. I think I see an orange egg. Wow! Just move it, Taylor. Good job.
I think there's more in here. I think there's one
You
over
don't know?
I think there's one over there. Oh.
Maybe over there.
Jack, there's one over there in the wine rack. Yeah, because he knows what a wine rack is.
Good job. Go ahead. I think I
think I see purple.
Good job.
You had that like buried in there. He never would have found it.
Good job.
Good job, Jack. What about in the living room?
Come on.
The den?
Yeah, I think there's one in there.
I think it's.
Good
Oh,
job.
found one!
There's another in here.
You want to show Donnie?
There's this one and one more in our room. Should I hide these three in the basket since he's having such a good time with it? Jack, there's one more in here. Come on. Come on. There's more to find.
Hi, Beanie.
Come on. Is that an orange egg? Oh, you're looking for the treats inside. There we go.
Got treats.
Charles, not an idiot.
Mm. Hi, Donnie.
Did you get a beanie? Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. Go get Kuba. Get it. Are those jelly beans?
Jelly beans. Beans. Yeah.
Jelly beans. You gonna have more jelly beans? Are we taking a little snack break?
Donnie want to be nice to Taylor?
Uh-oh. Drop your basket.
Uh-oh.
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 Uh-oh. Go pick it up. Pick it up.
Miss Movie.
Make sure you pick everything up.
Why are you kicking those all over?
Yeah! Whoa!
Where are you going?
See you later. Hi, silly goose.
Poor Cooper.
I heard that.
What you doing, Donnie?
Jack, we have to go find more eggs. Yeah.
Hi. You show Daddy? Show Dad. Oh, there you go. Jelly bean.
Oh.
Other jelly beans.
They're good.
Oh.
Can we see you eat the jelly beans? No? I know. Koopa, is that good jelly bean?
Slurping away. But we still have more eggs to find.
Thank you. Is it for me as a present?
Mama?
For me as a present?
No, it's not.
No. You like Mr. Egg?
Fancy. What do we hear? There you go.
There you
Cooper,
go.
no. There you go.
You eat some jelly beans?
He's like prying it out of my fingers. Piggy. No, you can't have that back. No.
Mama?
Daddy and Cooper wanted a snack as well. Can you pick up all your eggs and we'll go find more? I don't know why these others are good. No, you have to stay with Daddy while Mom goes.
Jack. Come here, Bo. Where you going?
There's another in here. Are you ready to find more eggs? You and Daddy to get your basket?
Where you going?
I'm smiling on film. There you go! Good job! Judy, you're doing so good! Here's my chair. That's where you're doing it on.
I know.
There's actually 2 in the family room. And then there'll be 3 in the bedroom. Good job!
No? You upset because Cooper's eating a jelly bean?
He wants it back.
You want it back? Is that Cooper? Give me the jelly bean back.
Mad? Was that not nice that Cooper did that? No. Hi.
Say hi, Mommy.